Hey guys, you're struggling to get your protein? I'm gonna show you how to get 150 to 200 grams of protein without cooking in one day. I'm here at Kroger. I'm gonna show you the options that you can get. Check these out, give them a shot. I'm gonna see if they have everything that I would get. This is one way that you can do it without cooking. All right, let's go. First up, what I want you to get is some fat-free Fairlife milk. We're gonna drink a couple cups of this a day. But make sure you get the Fairlife, lactose free. Is real easy on the stomach. Let's see what else they have here. Make sure, grab your gallon of water because you're gonna try to get you a gallon today. What I want you to do is grab these yogurts here, but you gotta get these. Move out of the way here. So what you're gonna get, Ratio, protein yogurt. This location has vanilla and strawberry, but make sure you get the Ratio. These are 25 grams of protein each. So I'm gonna grab 2 of those. So we got yogurt, we got our milk. Guys, one of the easiest way to get your protein, if you don't want to cook anything, is lunch meat. So what I usually do is I'll grab me some turkey or maybe some chicken, but I'm gonna get some turkey. So got some turkey meat here. 2 slices of this is gonna give you 8 grams of protein. These are real thin slices too, so we'll end up probably eating this whole pack today. So super easy to eat. You can eat it anytime. You don't need bread. If you don't want bread, I'm probably just gonna eat it out of the package like this. We're almost done. Now for breakfast, I would say for breakfast and just a snack, what you wanna do is get you 2 of these. So one of these is 42 grams of protein. I usually get the vanilla. I just like vanilla more. But you're gonna have 2 of these. So you can have one for breakfast, one after your workout, if you work out in the morning. Just so they're real easy to drink. So they're not gonna make you feel bloated or anything like that. So we're gonna have 2 of these. All right guys, so that's it. 1 package of these. So smoked turkey breast, you're gonna get 2 Ratio protein. Grab you 2 of these. You're gonna get you 1 of the Fairlife milk, 2 of these. Any flavor you want. Make sure you get the 42 gram protein. They also have a 24. Make sure you try to get the 42 if you can. They're super easy to drink. And then grab a gallon of water. And so let's add all this up. So what we're gonna do, if you were to, with each meal, you're gonna have, let's say, a serving of turkey and 1 cup of milk. Serving of turkey, 1 cup of milk. So that's gonna be 3, this has 3 servings in here. So 3 of these, each one just drink 3 cups of milk. Just measure it out, 3 cups of milk. You're gonna just eat 1 of these. So this will get you 25 grams. You'll drink those Core Life protein drinks. Drink your water. If you get hungry, drink your water. This is gonna put you at 1,180 calories and 197 grams of protein. So if you don't need 197 grams of protein, if that's not your goal, scale back, do half a cup, or maybe just 1 of these. It's gonna be tough to eat just 1 of these. Are good. So you can adjust it like that. But this is the no cooking way to get between 150 and almost 200 grams of protein. If you need to get 200, drink a little more milk. If you don't have time to cook, that's fine. You still want to hit your protein goals. Make sure you drink your water. If you can't drink a gallon, that's fine. That's a lot of water, but try to get as much of that gallon down as you can. It will help with your hunger. It'll just help with everything. The more water you drink, the better, especially if you exercise. Hopefully you're exercising more. If not, let's go. You got to step it up. Come on now. So that's only, what did that put us at? 1,200 calories. Everything else, you already hit your protein goal. Everything else, if you want to add some carbs in there, make sure you get some type of veggies. Whatever your preference is, those are all personal preference. Try to stick with the leafy greens, fruits. I like to stick with berries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. But let's get your protein first. We're just trying to cut the excuses short. Go find you a grocery store. Most big grocery stores will carry these options. And if they don't, then you just have to adjust it a little bit, okay? Let me know in the comments any other tips, questions. I'm trying to post as much stuff as I can to help you out. So we will see you next time. Let's go.